Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to clean a keurig. If you buy one and it's been sitting around and you don't know much about it, or if you got one that's set for months, here's how you do it. First thing you're going to need is vinegar. It doesn't matter what kind, as long as it's white vinegar. And what you're going to want to do is fill it up. Because as you can see there, it says more water please. I just filled it up just enough to stop that. Hit continue. Then it says that. Then you start it. And you let it dispense. First few times you do this, if it's been sitting around a lot, you're going to have mold come out of it. It's going to have chunks of particles or whatever float around. Just dump that in the sink. That's after, this is a two cup measuring cup, so after about 3 or 4 of them. See, it stopped. Do it again. I'm just going to do it one more time because I've already done it a lot. I'm just doing this for the video. And you want to run about 10 to 14 8-ounce cups of vinegar through it. See, after you've done 4 of these, you can dump the vinegar back in there because it'll be clear. But that's 8 cups if you're using a small cup. And then you do the same thing with the water, but you don't recycle the water. With the water, you dump this out, you rinse it out real good with hot water. You fill it all the way up to the level that it says filled up. I filled up almost to the top. And you run all that water out and dump it in a sink. You fill it back up again and run all that water out and then taste it. If it still has a little bit of a vinegar taste to it, you run another complete tank through it, and you keep doing that until the vinegar taste is gone. And that's how you clean a keurig that's been sitting around, or one that you purchased used from somebody else. Thanks for stopping by.